and welcome to the Diecast YouTube channel. So after some time, today I'm going to show you Majorette's latest series. This is 13 cab, so this is sort of Australian special. I think they recently got the license from 13 cabs and well, they got some sort of collaboration. So now the Majorette is doing these taxis, which is very popular in Australia, 13 cabs. And there are a few other taxi companies as well, Silver Top, blah blah blah. So but this one is the most popular one. And the good thing is Majorette has the Toyota licensing as well, so it's pretty much well matching for everything, because there are a few Toyota Corollas going around in my area, 13 cabs. So yeah, pretty cool. And these ones are around like $599 in Australia. I bought this one from a Kids Stuff online store in High Point Shopping Center. And these ones are like selling very fast because these ones are very popular among the collectors as well as kids. So they love to, you know, play with their taxis at the moment. So let's open these ones. So there are two models and two color variations. So this is Toyota Hiace and two Toyota Corollas. This one is Toyota Corolla got black and white color variant, and this one got white color variant. This is the only 13 cabs available at the moment. I hope they'll do more in future, more different models. So let's open. All right, let's check. Let's open these ones first. All right, this is 13 cabs Toyota Corolla white one, and if you check the back side, you get all sort of stuff in the back. And see this Australian map, and this is where those 13 cabs available at the moment: Brisbane, Newcastle, Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide and Hobart. So yeah, pretty cool, isn't it? All right, let's open this one. All right, see, so this is the first model. As you can see, these models are highly detailed ones, not like the Hot Wheels. If you can see the front, so this is the front grille and plastic headlights, pretty cool. And they have done the fog lights as well. And you got the 13 cabs logo and the 13 cabs rooftop badge as well. And if you check sides, yes, you can see they have the 5-spoke wheels, 13 cabs logo, and all the details like the real car book with the app, 13 cabs app. See 13 cabs app detail, phone number, real number, Toyota logo, back wheel details, everything is spot on. Good job, Majorette. And my favorite one out of these three is this one, black color Toyota Corolla. So if you check the bottom, it says Toyota Corolla Altis 1:61 scale. Everything is similar to the previous casting, white one, except the color. So if you closely check this one, this is pretty neat, very neat casting. Love this one. Love all. So side tempos, there you go, very beautiful casting. But the only issue is these ones are left hand drive, but in Australia everyone drives from right. So these variants, you got the left hand drive model, see. So that's the only issue with this casting, but that doesn't matter. So beautiful, well done, Majorette. And everyone's favorite, Toyota Hiace van. So I love 1:64 scale vans, because Hot Wheels, they don't do that much or never. And I got few Atomica limited vintage vans, very neat. So this one is pretty neat casting, bit heavy. So it says Toyota Hiace 1:69 scale, so a bit smaller than 1:64. So maxi cab, 13 cabs, maxi taxi, app details. I don't know what this T227 logo is, but I'll check that one later. See the front light details and the badge as well. And this one is right hand drive. See, this one is right hand drive, and it got 1, 2, 3 rear seat rows. Beautiful casting, beautifully done, well done, Majorette, well done. But I don't like these wheels, to be honest, but yeah, let's see. I have 2 from this casting, so I might do a custom, maybe change these wheels, only the wheels, you know, and maybe fit a rack on top so the passengers can take their, you know, take their luggages on top. Oh yeah, good idea. And maybe one number plate, maybe, because I don't want to do much in this casting because it's very what you call complete. I will use the complete word, yeah, complete. So all right, here, there you go. So these are the 3 13 cab taxis done by Majorette, and I got Thai taxi series as well. Majorette Australia, he provided my missing pieces a few months back, so now I got Aussie taxis as well. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll take some photos of these cars and upload it to my Instagram page, Diecast Beast. So if you guys go to Instagram, please hit me a follow and like my photos as well. And if you watch this video, please hit the subscribe button down below here, and like, comment and share your thoughts about this video as well. And I'll see you guys with another video. Bye.